There's football, volleyball,
athletics,
esports,
boxing,
arm wrestling,
table tennis,
lawn tennis.
Okay, arm wrestling. Okay. We have all that inside the basketball. Yes.
Kobe Bryant for what? Yeah, Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant. We already are but your red carpet to her. You need to have stuff. You don't have my red carpet. You are no. It's a microphone. It's a microphone to do what you are. Let me move them.
Yes. Still reminding you that you're all warmly welcome to the Babaya Sport here inside Kumasi. It's all about the all-regional games that the auspices of the Asamoah Gyan Foundation. Today, we have brought all the 16 regions under one tent, or in the same compound, to officially launch the all-regional games, which will officially take place ahead of us. Yes, ahead of us in Accra. Yes, send a tweet.
We are here.
Yes, sir. We will also be streaming live on TV at the right time which channel? GTV Sports Plus. So when we are good to go, I'll let you know. You tell your friends and families at home to tune into GTV Sports Plus and watch it all in the comforts of their homes.
Yeah, so Greater Accra just joined us. Welcome, Greater Accra. Thanks so much for coming. Greater Accra region, they are here with us, so thanks so much for coming. We left with about 4, there's 4 regions. So once they are here, the event will commence in earnest. So that's what we're looking at too. Once they are here, we'll commence in earnest, and they will all be represented as usual, like I said, by their regional ministers who will be delivering their solidarity messages as we move along. But a special guest of honor, like we said, is His Excellency Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. He's also the flag bearer for the NPP party. So we'll talk about that as the show progresses. What's the DJ Chifaru?
DJ Chifaru.
What's the boy ready?
The region's Chifaru.
Oh, we're ready. I got you. We're ready. Not one in America. And Obiara, full house.
Yes.
About our regions, region Biara on the flag. If you are not what I say, origin proud in the flag, proud in the colors. But all the hard work. Yes, sir.
There is nothing. There is no. I see. I am on time. I see. Ashanti flag, you know.
United Nations of and he's not ever come. I won't be my chama become. I'm going to reach and be our reps. No, so yeah, I had one to the master 6 and 7. Partial teams as a Sunday. But over here, I'm not going to just off it. But I'm in July, said you see. Which check what you are trying to exit. One still, they're trying to exit. The form of red carpet.
Okay.
But one could just watch it. Go on basketball or football. Or the one this is not going to and who the amount with me. They're social media. All regional games are so raising champions together. Raising champions together. I don't know. You didn't want to Yeah, Chifaro, what's up? What's up, everybody? Get tired. Get something.
DJ Chifaro, can we go now? Can we go now?
Yo. Much milk. No, you know, so we are here live at Kumasi Sports Stadium, Asamoah Gyan Talent Tournament for all the 16 regions in Ashanti, in the Ghana. So here we have the 16 regions, namely Ashanti region, Greater Accra region, Oti, Northern region, Upper East region, Upper West region, and all other regions representing live with their ministers. So it's been amazing here. Asamoah Gyan has organized this well-organized event that we are witnessing today here live at Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium. So if you've just joined us, we are live here on Laud TV, Khaled, live and Khaled on Laud TV here in Kumasi Sports Stadium, Babayara Sports Stadium here. So you see, we are waiting for the dignitaries, the players, and other people to join us live here. So keep enjoying the videos from Laud TV. We are giving you nothing but the best. So we are here live at Babayara Sports Stadium. Here is Babayara Sports Stadium, waiting for the program to take off. So we are here. So the main event is on the way coming. So we are having some interviews and other figures here that needs to be thrown more light on. So here, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to like the video, share, subscribe for others to join us. This is Laud TV Live, your #1 entertainment channel across the YouTube. So that is how it is. So you're waiting for Asamoah Gyan and his management team that the program to be launched, and all the 16 regional ministers to be here giving their speeches and their presentation here live on Laud TV and other stations across the YouTube and social media platforms. So thank you for joining us. We'll be live all day because the program will be from this morning to the evening. Crescent Pereira, you say, oh, so you are welcome, Crescent Pereira. Crescent Pereira, you see, we are waiting for Asamoah Gyan, the 16 regional ministers, the important dignitaries, chiefs, and the elders of Ashanti region. So this program is very, very, very powerful and awesome program. So we are having live session here with Laud TV. So we have all the equipments, the dignitaries waiting. So here we have bloggers and the media personnel waiting for the program to kick off. So here we are waiting for Asamoah Gyan, the sports minister, 16 regional ministers, all to be available here. So thank you for joining Laud TV live session today. We are waiting for the important dignitaries to be alive, to be live here with us on Laud TV. So this is the preparational grounds. You see, we're showing you the Jama playing. That is the musical group. You see, we have the security personnel here. So everything is in order. Everything is in order. We have the security personnel. That's the police. Soldiers are also inside with us. So keep enjoying. Everything is safe and secured here. So you see, you have people holding the Ghanaian flag. Yeah. So this is the Ashanti region. Circle, that's the Ashanti flag. So you see, the place is very busy, waiting for the program to kick off. Everybody is set here, half female sports personnel and the men sports personnel here. Like I said, have tight security measures here. So security personnel are also available here. That's the police and other. So this is our people from Oti region. As I said, this is Oti people, Oti region people representing their region. I can see we have disabled people here. I'm sure they are also part of the games that will be going on. We have disabled people here.
Is it going to be the central region? Is it going to be the northern region? Is it going to be the North region? Well, we all need to unravel that in the coming weeks, in the coming days, in the coming months. I have for the main event, the all regional games.
Yeah, so quick updates on the prices that's going for what we put it together with my way of my Tabiri talents. Now, when the region wins, the good news is that apart from soccer, what we call football, we'll put out any facility that you represented and won in your region.
Oh, wonderful. Not just the volleyball or the basketball.
Yeah, so apart from soccer,
okay, apart from
whatever
soccer.
sports discipline you're winning, we'll come to the region and put the facility together for you so that you can have more talent for your region.
Amazing.
And that's some good news.
Very good one.
And that's why we need to support our supporters. Very, very important I'm supporting. Because we have loads and loads of talents in Ghana. But I've never seen something like this. Something this big before.
Yes.
Something going beyond his domain of soccer. That is big. So we need to support. That's why we are here. And that's why Abna is here, because I would have been in the classroom by now. We're all here to support the worthy cause.
Very important.
Make sure that we support our brother to achieve this goal.
Absolutely.
It's all regional games Ghana 2024 launch that Baffour sponsored up today, 6th of July 2024. So watch out for that Saturday morning. Say a rap to the group now. They're rough full time.
You're rough. DJ Chifaro was before we were staging this. Let's slide over to him. Yeji.
Don't forget the show is being captured live on TV by GTV Sports Plus.
GTV Sports Plus.
GTV Sports Plus. So once again, you'll say, I know, we're covering for GTV Sports Plus. Yeah,
The
so
nation's television.
currently, Chifaro is live on YouTube. Let's allow him to show some skills. I'm not feeling blind. The whole world will be a show.
Okay, Arona Hamed, you said, boss, please. Okay, Hamid. Thank you very much. I'm a telling catcher, no cry. Okay, Aaron, my main phone number, 0550-624-337. 0550-624-337. 0550-624-337. Aaron, 0550-624-337. 0550-624-337. Aaron. Arona Hamid. Number 0550 624
And I'm up here free side.
So this is our people from Oti region. So you can see from that's our people from Oti region, representing the Oti region. So we want to see the best from them.
Back in a swap on it. Wouldn't be there without her. Every time I'm paying for my own home.